Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the brand new iFFALCON 55-inch QLED F75 model. I picked up this TV directly from Amazon using the link in the description below. If you're planning to buy it, check that link for the best price, genuine product, and any available discount coupons. The iFFALCON 55F75 looks absolutely stunning. It has an ultra-slim picture frame design that sits flush against the wall, making it feel more like a piece of art than a regular TV. The bezels are incredibly thin, and the overall build feels premium and modern. The included wall mount keeps it super sleek and minimalistic. The art mode with AI art is one of the standout features. When you're not watching TV, you can turn your screen into a digital photo frame or an art gallery, displaying classic paintings or your own pictures. As for picture quality, the QLED 4K panel with wide color gamut delivers bright, vibrant colors and excellent contrast. With Dolby Vision IQ and HDR, movies and shows look more cinematic, with rich details even in darker scenes. Gamers are going to love this TV. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures that fast-paced action looks super smooth and fluid, with very little motion blur. Input lag is low, which is great for competitive gaming. HDR gaming really pops, giving you more depth and detail whether you're exploring dark caves or bright, open worlds. The TV features Dolby Atmos audio, which delivers a more immersive experience compared to standard TV speakers. Dialogue is clear, sound effects have more depth, and it's surprisingly powerful for such a slim design. Of course, pairing it with a soundbar can take the cinematic sound to the next level. Running on Google TV OS, the iFFALCON 55F75 is fast and easy to use. You get all the popular streaming apps, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, and more. The Google Assistant voice remote makes searching simple. Just press the button and speak. It also supports Apple AirPlay too, so you can cast videos, music, and photos from your iPhone or iPad effortlessly. The iFFALCON 55F75 QLED 4K TV offers a premium experience at a very competitive price. Its slim design, impressive art mode, smooth 144Hz gaming performance, Dolby Vision IQ, and Dolby Atmos make it perfect for both home entertainment and as a stylish centerpiece for your living room. Don't forget to check the Amazon link in the description for the best deal and genuine product.